Okay, so we've got a couple tools that I put in place last week for reporting, and the one in particular that I sent the report over to you on was an export tool for ordering, and that tool itself creates basically we can there. It's really used for importing into other systems, but in your particular case, it worked great for the fields you're looking for. So you go to Amnesty, you go to order exports, and then you would go into profiles. I only created one profile, and what you'll see here is order custom report, and you can run the profile here. But if we go into it, you're going to see how it's all set up. So with this being said, you've got outputs. None of the stuff you really will want to change. Now, if you wanted to have it automated and have it sent to specific areas, you could do it that way. And then you can see that it's a CSV, but these are all the other templates that we can set up. Adding the header on the top and then merging rows into one was the option that you chose not to use. So now you can see this will create the multiple lines and fields like we had, the one that you liked more. And then in this is where the fields configuration is. So you can come in here and select all of the fields and information that you'd want. So like let's say you wanted to add, so we've got it down by orders. So you would have all the main order fields, then you'd have all these additional ones that you could add to it. So shipment, and for example, like the rental tool, I had to manually map that in so that we could get the start and end dates. Okay, so with that being said, then what you would do is you would hit save and generate. And what this does is this starts the step, goes through it, and then at the end, you can just download it. And what you'll see is that field or that table that I gave you before. So there's all these different types of setups you can do. What I would recommend is if you're going to start making changes, do a duplicate of it. And so that way we aren't messing anything up. So if you wanted to come into this and say, I want to add another field, you could say duplicate. Then it's going to create the duplicated profile, and then you could just type in the date or something, or testing or something like that. Okay.